In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a Protonmail email. Whether you're just cleaning up your inbox or trying to get rid of a few messages you no longer need, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along easily. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. This is the official website where you can access your secure email account. Once you're on the homepage, log in with your username and password just like you normally do. Give it a moment to load and you'll be taken to your Protonmail dashboard. After you've signed in, you'll want to make sure you're looking at your inbox. Usually Protonmail opens directly to the inbox by default, but if it doesn't, look for the inbox option in the navigation menu on the left side of the screen and click on it. This is where all of your incoming messages are stored, and it's the starting point for deleting any emails you no longer need. Next, decide which email or emails you want to delete. Take a quick look through the list of messages in your inbox. It's a good idea to make sure you're not removing anything important, because once you move something to the trash and empty it later, it can be difficult or impossible to recover. If you're unsure, you can always open the email first to double check what's inside before deleting it. When you're ready, look for the small checkbox next to the email you want to delete. Click on that checkbox to select the message. You'll see that email become highlighted or marked as selected. If you want to delete more than one email at the same time, you can click the checkboxes next to multiple messages. This is really helpful if you're doing a quick inbox cleanup and want to remove a batch of emails in one go instead of deleting them one by one. With your email or emails selected, look for the option that says Move to Trash. In Protonmail, this is usually represented by a trash can icon in the toolbar above your message list. Click on that button. As soon as you do, the selected messages will be removed from your inbox and moved to the trash folder. At this point, the emails are no longer visible in your main inbox, which helps keep things tidy. However, they aren't permanently deleted just yet. They're simply stored in the trash folder. If your only goal is to get them out of your way, you're already done. But if you want to permanently erase them, you can head over to the trash folder in the left-hand menu later and clear it out from there. To quickly review, you go to protonmail.com and log in, click on your inbox, select the email or emails using the checkboxes, and then click Move to Trash. Follow those simple actions and you'll be able to manage and delete your Protonmail emails with confidence whenever you need to.